Hey there, have you ever felt like managing a project is like solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded?
All the time. It can be so challenging to keep track of everything.
Well, have we got a secret weapon for you? It's called Jira, and it's a project management tool developed by Atlassian.
Sounds interesting. What makes it so special?
Jira provides a single platform for team collaboration, issue tracking, and project visualization. It's like the Swiss Army knife of project management.
Wow, that sounds amazing. How does it work in a project scenario?
Let's say you're leading a project to develop a new mobile app. With Jira, you can easily create tasks, assign them to team members, and track their progress. From ideation to launch, every step of your project can be visualized and managed in Jira.
That's impressive. What are some specific features of Jira that can help me manage my project better?
Workflow customization, Scrum and Kanban boards, Jira Query Language or JQL, dashboards and reports, and advanced security and access control are some of the features that can supercharge your project management skills.
I had no idea Jira could do all that. Is it only for project management?
No, Jira can also be used as a help desk tool for document management and even for HR processes. It's like a chameleon, it adapts to your needs.
That's cool. What's the difference between Jira and Confluence?
Jira is all about tracking work, while Confluence is designed for knowledge sharing and collaboration. When used together, they provide a complete solution for project management and collaboration.